U-Ayanda Ncwane usakhala ngokubukelwa phansi namanje kwi-gospel industry, but also in the entertainment industry as a whole, even after years of putting in the work as i-manager kaSifiso, but also the co-founder of uSifiso Ncwane Productions. Sanibonani, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. U-Ayanda Ncwane nkosi yami uyayikhalela uthi yeyi ngaze ngabukelwa phansi ngomuntu wesifazane, even after years of proving ukuthi cha mina ngi-executive uma kuziwa ku-music industry. U-Ayanda Ncwane-ke came onto the scene as unkosikazi kaSifiso Ncwane, wase eba-ke u-co-founder, baqhuba-ke ibhizinisi, and they actually drove a career yaSifiso into new heights up until azadlule emhlabeni uSifiso Ncwane. Kodwa namanje ukhala ngokuthi cha la eSouth Africa abantu bakhona nje abamboni, okunalokho uze a-recognize ngaphandle kwe-South Africa as umuntu onamagalelo kwi-music industry. Sikhumbula ukuthi uke wa-manager futhi ne-group abathandwa, okungaphelanga-ke kahle noko i-relationship yakhe nabo. Kodwa-ke at some point babuya bezoyixolisa bethi cha bayabona ukuthi abenzanga kahle ku-Ayanda Ncwane. Uyasho ukuthi cha kukhona kona ukuthi angathatheki phezulu as umuntu onamagalelo. Ubekusho lokhu kwi-podcast la ekade ekhuluma khona noNtando Zikalala mayelana ne-journey yakhe yokuba semculweni and ukuba a-talent manager as well as a manager and an executive of the various companies lawa ahlala kuwo. Sobala ukuthi u-Girls has some accolades under her belt, because ufike ephethe ngisho ama-award, but-ke maybe it's just that her PR or brand imaging yakhe ayihlangani angazi, but kukhona into engaklikki that makes abantu bangamthathi serious u-Ayanda Ncwane, as accomplished as she is. But you guys do let me know what you think of this in the comment section. That is it for me for now, and I'll see you in my next one.